Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. So I'd like us to start analysis with the chart on my screen. Euro USD. This is this is Euro USD. We will start by looking at it from the two indicators we have. We have this arrows indicator, which is also part of this indicator at the bottom. Then we also have this uptrend indicator. So as it is now, the price is above this moving average. At the same time, we have an upward arrow, which is also here. You see that the bars are green. So this is a very good uptrend. We expect that the price may pull back at least up to this point. We have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance. There is this breakout, we had some pullback. So as it is right now, the price is headed to the upper side. As it is right now, the price is heading upwards. So we are looking for the case where the price may pull back and touch these two lines so that we pick a buy position from there. And if you buy it there, expect the price to break first of all beyond this level first before it can continue upwards, at least up to this point. So we are waiting for a clean breakout above this line. Then the price will continue upwards up to the next level, which is this one here. Does that make sense? So we're going to move forward to the next chart, which is GBP USD. So the same thing we are having on GBP USD, the price is headed to the upper side. So we do expect that the buyers will continue to push price upwards. We are actually looking forward for a possible breakout above this line to push the price upwards. So that has happened already. So we are waiting for price to pull back to it before we can pick another position. We are expecting the buyers to push price upwards up to the next level, which is this one. The next one is this one, and the next one is the line you have at the top. So if the price can pull back and touch this line, we're going to look for a buy position. We do expect the buyers to push price upwards up to this line. The next level is the line you have at the top, this one. Then the next one is the line you have at the very top, which is this one here. So these are the three lines where if the price pulls back to this point and we pick a position from this level, we expect the buyers to push us upwards. The first target, the next target, and the last one is the line you have at the top. So the other symbol is gold. So gold so far has also pulled back significantly to the upper side. So we've had price actually break above this level. This was a very significant resistance level where the price went beyond. So we had a very good resistance level here. So we had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, a resistance. The price broke above it. We didn't see any retracements back to the same point. So we are still waiting for some positions. We still expect that if the price can pull back and touch this zone, then we may want to pick a buy position. We expect the buyers to push us upwards at least up to this level. Now that has happened already. The price is already there. So when the price clearly ascends and closes above this line, we expect it to continue upwards at least up to this level here. So expect a clean breakout above this line, a retracement back to it, so that the price can continue upwards up to the next level, which is this one here. So my next instrument is the Brent oil. The Brent oil, it looks like the price is gaining some momentum to the upper side. we do have a very good resistance trend line. So we have that there. Have that trend line, and then you have another. There. So as long as the price remains below this line, this should give us a good place to look for a sell position from. We expect the sellers to push price downwards at least up to this level here. In case the price ascends above this trend line, we do expect it to continue upwards. We are actually looking forward for a break above this line here. So we expect that the price should clearly ascend beyond this line, then retrace back so that we can pick a position, expecting that position to push us upwards at least up to this point here. So this right here will be the correct place to look for a buy from. My next instrument is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, the price is gaining momentum to the upper side, but we do have an expanding wedge formation. So you can see that here we have a very good expanding wedge formation. If the price bounces off from the line we have at the top, then this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. If the price breaks and closes above it, then we're going to expect it to continue upward. So we're just waiting to see what happens along this line. Any failure to break above it will mean we're looking for a sell position. In case the price ascends and closes above it, then that would mean we're now continuing to the upper side with our first target at this price. So that's why we actually expect that breakout. Any movements to the upper side will mean we are heading up to that point. So there is a zone there which has to be broken for price to continue upwards. We have a very good zone here. So expect either a sell from this trend line or a breakout, a retracement, then the price should continue upwards up to the next two lines which we have at the top. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. We're going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.